Okay, guys, so let's consider this case. Okay, so we said that we use loops whenever we need to do a process like iteratively. That means to repeat something. Okay, so let's say we have this problem. Okay, we have an initial balance of 10,000 pesos, and we want, when we know that we deposit our money into a bank when we have an interest rate of 5%. And well, thing is, how much money will we have after the first year? Okay, so probably you're thinking of the best solution, which is having like 10,000 multiplied times 1 plus the 5%, which is 0.05, okay, which is the same as writing 10,000 times 1.05. Okay, guys, so I'll give you some time for you to do that operation. And well, if you just like did it, as I assume you're doing it, you'll know that that's equal to 10,500 pesos. Okay, so this is the amount of money you're gonna have after the first year. Okay, so this answers our question. But thing is, how many years will it take for us to arrive to 15,000 pesos? Okay, that means to have like a sustained growth of 5%, and this initial quantity that we have over here should transform all the way around, like some time which I don't know, until it becomes 15,000. Okay, so that is not something not trivial at all. So that is why, well, if we do a big nice table, we know that after the first year, we're gonna have a gain of 500 pesos. And the second year, 525, and that's gonna keep on going and going and going and going all the way around until we arrive to our quantity. Okay? Thing is, it's pretty boring and pretty long to stay doing this like this whole time. Okay? So the question is, how much time will it take to us? Okay, because it's a long process to get from here to here, and pretty much the computer can automate it. Okay, with that automation process, we're gonna use a while loop. Okay, so while loops are used whenever we know the condition when it's gonna stop. Okay, we don't know how many times, but we know the condition that's gonna make it stop. Okay, so now we're gonna go and transform this into a beautiful piece of code.